What's up guys, back to another video. So real quick, starting on the back of my truck because I'm doing something different this time around. So you've been following my channel for a while, know that I drive this truck basically as a daily driver. It doesn't fit on normal car washes. I take it and I spray it off, all that stuff. It's too big to even dry. So I have to get these big towels, throw it over the top, pull it down, because if not, by the time I get home, there's water everywhere, it's a mess. So because of that, I leave towels inside my truck. So one thing I'm trying to figure out and work on is I want to put a speaker box underneath my back seat. And you know, really I don't want towels hanging all over the place. That's where I store towels at now. So I just picked up this small box to go in my truck, because you guys know I love my Tonneau cover, my WorkSport AL3 Pro. Not getting rid of that and put a big old box back there. So I want a small box that I can tow away here on the side. So anyway, I picked one up from RealTruck.com, and I want to do an open boxing for you all. I want to install it and we'll check it out. So first off, thank you for tuning in. Let's get started. The lip just to get started with it. Really, so let's go ahead and pull this out. Obviously this is the box. This here. All right, let me pull this back. So this is pretty much what we're looking at, guys. So pretty cool badge on the side here. It says RealTruck. It's got a lock on the top, which I do like. And you flip it up. Here's the installation instructions. Check. It's got a tray that goes in it. We'll check that out in a second. Here's my hardware, and it looks like it's like some other type of a lock here as well. So, but this is the box, guys. From this out of the way, let's look at the hardware a little bit. They make these for several different kind of trucks, guys. Obviously, I got F150, so that's what I ordered it for. But I know they got one for Silverado and a few others I've seen on the site. Basically, guys, this is it. So, got two brackets. Here's a bag with some other parts. Obviously, too, it comes with the lock here on top. I'll let you look at the inside. So there's the tray that flips up, and there's the dimension of the box, pretty much, guys. Like I said, if you don't want this tray, you can get rid of it. There's my key, by the way. But anyway, so I'm going to go ahead and get this started with the install process. First off, you see I went and sorted everything it came with. 4 of these, 3 of those, 2 of those, and 3 of these. All right. So I got the 8mm out with the lazy ratchet. Let's take off this passenger side tail light, power drill with, I believe this is a T27. Let's see. Yeah, T27. So let me show you guys real quick what we're going to do. First step, as I kind of headed, first step is to take these 2 out. They're 8mm. Take the tail light out. So then this piece here is going to line up with these holes, and we're going to screw it in for the other side. Okay. I said this here is going to match up these holes. Will match up with those holes. Take the larger hex bolts like this, and we're going to stick it through that into it. So I'll show you real quick. So what we're going to do now is, this is a 13mm. We're going to put 2 spacers on the top and bottom, and you'll see why in a second. And locking washers here, and we'll put the bolts on as well. This here is where the middle screw's coming through. Okay, and you can see the small one, or the bottom one coming through. The top and bottom get spacers, so I'm going to put a spacer on this real quick. All right, there's the spacer. Put a locking washer on it. All right, now let's put the hex bolt on it. All right, guys, so those are in. I'm going to go ahead and crank those down. Camera, but I just took this and I got that middle one in, so let me go ahead and add that one. Just gets the locking washer and bolt. Should be the easiest one to get since it's right in the middle. Those heck nuts are 13mm, so I'm just going to set this here. What I'm going to do before I go on top is I'm going to put my tail light back on. if you use a power wrench like this, I just recommend going real slow. I'll do it by hand the rest of the way because you can crack the plastic. Yeah, so basically what's happening is this is going to go in that spot there. The bump, as you guys seen, it just fell off. I'm going to line that back up where it goes. And then we're going to put this right in that spot. Use the screws they give us. Now we're going to set this. Alright, here it is. So as you know, as you lock on the top, it comes with 2 keys. There's 2 keys right there. It latches down, lift it up. So you got compartment down there. You get this tray, hold it up. Get rid of the tray, you don't want it. You need the tray. So basically this handle down here, you're going to pull on it, just like that. Alright guys, we're going to wrap this up. So first off, I left this part off. I'm going to just try to clean up a little bit. The lock seems a little bit latch and stuff like that. But if you still want this on your truck, it's no problem. It'll fit on there just fine. So real quick, really easy install. Took me, I don't know, what, 15 minutes or so. If you have any extra tools or anything that you don't want to put in your cab, it's a great solution. I'm going to put the link below down for this. Again, I bought it at RealTruck. As you can see, it'll badge on the side. I just think it's a great storage solution for your truck. Y'all have an awesome day. Thank you.